So Dr. Bilski, obviously there's a lot possible in dentistry today, and it's great for the healthier teeth. And some people are scared of the dentist, but I think everybody's scared of the cost. And if you don't have dental insurance, what do you do?
A good point there, good questions. Three main questions from patients, and it's not usually in the order. I'm gonna give you a different order.
Okay.
Is it gonna hurt? No. How long is it gonna take? Well, we know how long it's gonna take. What do you think the third one is?
Yeah, how much is it gonna cost?
How much is it gonna cost? What do you think is number one?
How much is it gonna cost?
Yeah, and then the 1A would be, do you take my insurance? Right?
Right.
So the 1A is like, yes, we file all insurances. We help you file that, depending on the situations. If you don't have dental insurance, though, most people don't know this. About 50% of the working force has some type of dental insurance coverage. And then of those people, only 50% of those that have insurance actually utilize it. Some utilize it only for emergencies, and some do the preventive cleanings and fillings. And so if you do the math on 50% of 50%, really only 25% of the working force that have dental insurance utilize it. So that means 75% of my patients don't. So what we do is we have what's called a wellness plan. And it's the same as dental insurance, but it's not an insurance program. It's more like a club, a buying club.
Okay. Yeah.
So you get your 2 cleanings a year if you're healthy. If you are what's called a periodontal patient, meaning you had some gum work and we need to maybe see you 3 or 4 times a year. And you just pay a membership fee every year. It's called the Bilski Wellness Plan in our office. And then you get that. It's a monthly payment if you want, or you get a little discount if you pay it up front. And then if you need any ancillary dental work following that, you get 15% of all services. And people seem to really enjoy it, and they're actually leaving their dental insurance programs because there's no waiting period. There's no maximum limits. There's no restrictions. It's just whatever services we provide. That's what we do, where some insurance companies actually, they limit or they eliminate the services that you may need. You know, particularly if you're missing a tooth and you want implants, some insurance companies don't afford for that. Or if you need a crown and they think you should have a filling. So we're not crowning every tooth that walks in our office. We feel that we're as proud of what we don't do equally as what we do. So it's like, and we do so many different procedures all under one roof, that it's, again, back to how we talk, like, hey, Randy, what are you thinking? Well, you know, I looked in this book and I would really like to look like this. And I think this is an implant and some crowns. Like, do I need that? Because that's what the patient's like, no, Randy, actually, you don't need that. But what if we talk about this?
Alternatives.
Exactly.
If somebody wants to learn more about your dental, what'd you call it? It's
called the Bilski Dental Savings Plan or Wellness Plan.
Is there information on your website?
Yeah, just go on the website and you can. I think you can actually click on there and buy it right there if you feel comfortable with it. I always recommend that you either schedule a complimentary, it doesn't cost you anything, appointment. You can come in and just talk to one of our staff members. Or if you feel like you really want to know what you're getting yourself into, it's a complimentary visit with me. Sometimes I'll take an x-ray or two, but most of the time I just look in your mouth and I can generally tell, like I know you, and I'd say, hey, open your mouth, and like, oh, Randy, you're good. Like, and Randy doesn't need anything, but I might say, hey, how about with some whitening? And maybe you need a bite guard.